Okay, so I have done 15 rows, 5, 10, 15. You can see from my counting thread there. And it's time for me to do my first decrease. The first decrease on the first needle is going to be a knit 1 and then a knit 2 together. And then you just knit 2 until there are 3 stitches left. So let me go ahead and do that. While I'm knitting, I want to point out to you the way my sleeve looks. And it looks this way because I have blocked it. I blocked the yoke. Wait, my yarn is, there we go. And so part of the sleeve is blocked and part of it is not. You can very clearly see where it's blocked and where it's not. What you can see is, one, these stitches are so much thicker and more dense, and they're much more even than up here. Up here it looks very loopy and loose, and if you feel the fabric, and it's the same way with the body of the sweater, when you feel the fabric, it feels so thin. But we know when we block this, the yarn is going to bloom and it's going to fill everything in and it's going to be much more dense. So you can clearly see the difference here between where it was blocked and where it wasn't. And there's no need to be concerned about that, because as soon as you block the rest of your sweater, it's all going to be the same. That line is going to disappear and it's all going to be evened out. All right, now let me continue knitting until I get to the last 3 stitches. Okay, so here I am now at the last 3 stitches. Originally, I was going to do the SSK on just the last 2, but when I reread the instructions, you have 2 stitches between your decreases. So this last stitch will be knit, and then these 2 are what I'll use for the SSK. Bunch of different ways you can do the SSK. The simplest and clearest is to actually just do it as it says, slip, slip, and then knit. So I'm going to slip this stitch, slip this stitch, put the needle, the front needle in, the left needle in the front like this. I don't know why it's not. There we go. That's wonderful now. All right, so I put the left needle in so it's in front of those 2. Then I just wrap my yarn around, pull it out. There's my SSK. Then I knit the last stitch. Now I'm going to turn my work. Put the front needle in so the stitches are near the tip. Make sure my yarn is between the 2 needles. Pull the back needle out, and then I'm going to knit. And now I will continue to knit another 15 rows until it's time for me to do another decrease. And there you have it.